Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel. Let's code and solve by Newton School. I hope you all understood what are the patterns in Python in the last tutorial with alphabetic manner. Now we're going to study about what are lambda function in Python. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for freshers, working professionals, and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and it helps you to become amazing full stack developer. It also has an amazing network of more than 300 great companies. And the best part is the Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you are placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's know about Newton School. Here you log in and sign up on Newton School website. The top companies you have been placed in is Xiaomi, Lenskart, ThoughtWorks, Topper, Meesho, Deloitte and many more. Let's move to now what are Let's move towards what are lambda function in Python. So lambda function in Python is it is a programming language, or it's just a anonymous functions or function having no name. It is a small and restricted function having no more than one line, like it has to be added multiple section in a single line, just like a normal function we did about declaring a function with multiple stacks over that. A lambda function can also have a multiple argument with a single one of the expression, not more than that, because when we enter the multiple arguments with one of the simplest expression, that means like we are being working with the lambda keywords, and after that we are being using the multiple of the function with a defined Python, and for this we need a just new Python version that can be updated upon. So the main of the what are the three main essential parts of lambda function in Python programming is, first of all, the lambda keyword, second the parameter, that is the bound variables or any or unbound variables too, third it is a function body. Okay, so Python function body means like it can be either executed with a furtherly or it can be executed with a term mostly. Okay, a lambda function can have any number of parameters that can be like it can contain one expression or more than that. Okay, it can be lambda function. One point to remember, that is lambda function is always written in a single line of code. Okay, that means that it can evoke immediately with that. So what are the syntax? What we use the syntax of using the lambda function? It is lambda declaring a function and after that declaring the multiple arguments in that. Okay, so p1 p2 are the parameters we passed upon the lambda function as we needed upon. And just one thing more, you have to remember that don't use brackets around the parameter as we used to do in the regular functions. Okay, it is the invalid or it will be counted as invalid for that. For valid Python expression, that operates an a different perspective of that. Okay, let's now move to coding school, Newton School emulator. Okay, so let us just write one function of lambda in Python. Okay, for the writing in that I'll explain you what function. Now I'll be writing one of the program, it is the adder, that is to add the similarities of the lambda function. Okay, now lambda x comma y, now function I'm gonna add it x plus y. Now I want to add the print adder again, and now what I have to add is 1 comma 2. Sorry, I have to add it 1 comma 2. Okay, this is the adder function keyword I have used. So output would be running, after running that, the output would be 3. Now what is the explanation of this program? So lambda keyword used to define an anonymous function first of all, then x and y are the parameters that we use to pass the lambda function, and third, what we did is we, like in the body of the function, we added 2 parameters we passed. Okay, so we cannot write it to the multiplication as the in the body, so we can call the function and the print the return value in that. Okay, now comes just like that. Let us write one more example, that is a basic example to understand the fundamentals and the syntax of the lambda. Okay, let me, like, what if I returns the lambda function in the string? Okay, so string, it is some kind of a useful useless talk. Okay, I'm just writing this some kind of useless lambda or talk, anything. Okay, just now I'll do one thing, I'll print the same of the string in that. Now comes, like, what if I'm being using the string as a print, but that string also I have to get as a printing operation. Like suppose I'm writing this print, what I have to print is I have to print my string part. Okay, that is how we used to return a value. For after writing this program, the function is being returned, that the function, that is lambda, it is being returned in that. Now after saving this file as a F5 or anything, we will get to know the output of what it is being gonna do it. Okay, now what it means is that it means that string has been defined first of all, that you pass the parameter of the lambda, then it means that you have to call a print statement and print the result in that. Okay, so why don't you print the string we pass, or why does the program doesn't print the print some of the string we passes? Okay, it is always the lambda is not always being called by the print function, but simply return the function object in the memory location where it is being stored upon. Okay, the storage part is very important to that. Here's the output I already showed. Let's run one more program for writing all of these output again. Suppose I pass one option, that some kind of lambda. Okay, some kind of lambda or anything, some kind of useless lambda. Okay, now let me print that with a basic similarities. Lambda x will print my value of x, and after that when it is dividing the demonstration, again the x. Okay, now check out what it would be going on. Okay, and here the function would be simulating the detailing part of it. Okay, not even the structural part of that. Okay, the function is being detailing as a similar part. The output is some kind of useless lambda. So now the lambda is being called and the string we pass gets print at the console, but the string we defined in the previous example and this example, we need to define and calling it immediately as we pass the string in the particular object. Okay, so this is not a possible thing. If you are being placing the string and not calling it, this is not the thing. Okay, so you have to first of all define a lambda, then call it immediately by passing the string as an argument at that. Okay, I hope it's been clear to you what are the lambda functions with the similarities and the syntax. Thank you.